Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and now scroll, of course depending where are you currently on the settings, but just find the security and privacy. Now we have to scroll down and as you can see here we've got the install unknown apps. And here we've been transferred to the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. And basically all you have to do in order to allow particular app is to tap on the switcher. As you can see right now it is active, but be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and be careful with trusting different apps. So of course it will work the same with all others. Just tap on the switcher. In the same situation, if you want to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see it is inactive. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Samsung Galaxy S23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.